Often with pear trees, particularly older, more classical types, it is often difficult to get those trees in production early. And the reason is pears do form fruit buds, particularly older ones, but later than, for example, on an apple tree. So how do you prune a tree if you're not sure which is fruit bud and which is wood bud? Delay your pruning until it's clearly showing which is fruit bud. Fruit bud are the really big round buds. Wood buds is the more pointed ones, which are showing clearly the difference between this bud and that bud. So the lesson is, if you have a pear tree and you're not sure where the fruit buds are, wait until the tree is sufficiently developed in middle of March, beginning of April, which shows where the fruit buds are. Then cut away those shoots which are filling up the tree and give maximum exposure to the fruit buds.